Alright, got a couple more things installed in the truck for my setup for the shack on the go. Let me show you guys what I got going on right now. So like I said, that one antenna that I had in the corner there, had to take down because I ended up putting this toolbox in the way. Got this off of Amazon. Not a huge fan of it. It's got some issues, but I'm able to make it work after we made some modifications to it. But I have to get some new locks for it because they ripped off. That was kind of on me though. But after we adjusted these a little bit because they were kind of catching the edge here, closes pretty good. It didn't come with a way to mount, so we had to drill into it and into the bed rail here and put a bolt there to hold it in place on both sides. And now it's not going anywhere. And I had enough room in the back there for the cables to be ran and not catch on anything. There's still enough room. Just like that. And this is going to my solar panel right here. I was hesitant at first about the placement, but I can adjust it as needed depending on where the sun's at. So I'm liking it so far, and if I really need it out of the way, I can somewhat do that or just take it completely off. But I don't do too much hauling, so that shouldn't be an issue to begin with. Alright, as far as the solar panel cable is concerned, the power is going through there. There's a vent down there that goes into the cab, and I ran the cable into there, which is then going behind the seat here. I had to pull it back some. It's locked in place right now, but you probably can't see it back there. But it's ran underneath. There's the charge controller for it. This is just temporary until I figure out where I really want to put it. But it's going that way underneath the channel and going to, I'll show you guys over here. It's following the channel all the way up there through my mess of wires, going to under the hood to the second battery that I was talking about. So now some of the next steps I'm going to have to do is getting that antenna into a new position somewhere in the truck. I might do something like on the anchor point here on the bed rail. Might get a mount for that, but I haven't really decided yet. And then the next thing is to start working on the inside of the truck for the cable management and where to put the laptop and placement of the radio head and things like that. So stick around, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks, y'all.